I am Pastor Kenneth T. Whalum Jr., that's Whalum. This is my wife, Sheila. We are from Memphis, Tennessee. We are with the New Olivet Baptist Church, an organization called CANA, Couples Achieving Newness Again. And we're here for our annual retreat, just showing love. For 15 years we've been traveling, and this is our first time in Aruba. We flew in from Memphis, Tennessee. We flew in. We're not on the cruise ship this time. We have taken cruises before, but we flew in this time for the express purpose of couples just, renewing their love for each other in a Christian kind of atmosphere with each other. The Baptist religion believe in baptism in water and baptism in God, in the Spirit of God, which means that we're able to just love each other with the love of Christ, yes. We have 50 people, 25 couples. We chose Aruba because of the reputation that Aruba has for being a happy place. And we've got the song Happy playing right now. We chose it because it's a happy place. On the island, we've gone all over the place. We've been to the Palm Island, the private island. We've been from one end of the island to the other. And what we did was today we're coming together to present our couple of the year, and we are each in our own worlds. We don't really hang together as a big group most of the time. Each couple does their own thing. When we first came, we had our t-shirts on. The wives were wearing t-shirts that said Real Housewives of Cana. The husbands were wearing t-shirts that said Real Husbands of Cana. And we draw attention, and people ask, well, what are y'all doing? We say, well, we're a church. And they say, a church? Doing this kind of thing, yeah, we draw a lot of positive attention.